Dragonfly Foundation helps pediatric cancer patients and their families find strength, courage, and joy. And we do this by providing emotional, relational, and practical support, especially at a time when they need it most.
Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone.
Well, not only has it raised just an incredible amount of funds to help our families go through pediatric cancer, it's also raised a ton of awareness and given our kids and young adults the opportunity to participate in an incredible event that really gives them a lot of great memories and experiences.